Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We're taking another look here at Luna 2. I got a lot of requests for this one because of our profits we just took here from our community. We just took 179% on Luna 2 here from one of our swing trades from last month. Again, definitely looking super strong. We'll talk about that. We also took profits on Terra Classic, Solana, Ethereum Classic, and Veracity. Okay, so awesome stuff there. Congrats to our community members there, our premium members. If you're curious about that, link down below, CryptoCash.tech is a website where you can register. There are limited slots available, so just be mindful of that. Now, when it comes to Luna 2, we got interesting patterns. We had a recent falling wedge, and we have a very, very large time frame here where the price action is looking pretty interesting here. So take a look at this here. We got this massive falling wedge pattern here. And if you zoom in a little bit further too, you can see, sorry, the charts are a little funky right now. We can see we had a couple, basically a double bottom breakout here as well. Okay, so a lot of reasons why this coin is taking off. So we'll talk about that and much more. We'll clean up the charts too and make sure that we understand specifically how much further back this coin could pull back if it were to. Again, emphasis on if, because we don't know if it will. This is a massive candle, but this is a lot of volume. In fact, what's interesting about this is we have less volume today than we did from before, and we have the price action higher. What that basically implies is that there's not a lot of selling pressure, and that a lot of the selling pressure has been exhausted right here. They were caught off guard here, but here they've been trying to fight and haven't been successful. In other words, the bears are just kind of giving up. Okay, that's exactly what causes the price action to swing up like this, which does imply that the price action should in fact stay where it's at and probably go higher because of the fact that there's not a lot of selling pressure, again, just yet. Maintaining volume is important here. Okay, so let's talk about this. So we're up over the 200-day SMA. Granted, this candlestick still has 7 hours left, right? So a little premature to summarize or just kind of say that it's definitely, we're definitely past that level. But you got to keep in mind, we got a couple of supports here, 0.382, 0.5. These are common retracement zones. So if the price does pull back, it'll probably average itself out here at the 200-day SMA anyways. It's a really, really common characteristic. We also want to look at the RSI. Okay, RSI is well overextended, but once again, money flow index is high too. If we take a look at stochastic, it still has plenty of room to run though. Okay, so honestly, using all three of these things in combination, even though it is overextended, it makes perfect sense the price action is where it's at. Not only because it broke out of this this double bottom pattern here with this most recent high, it swept that liquidity level and didn't look back. So my speculation is that price came up to here and just massively shot out. Okay, so really, really cool. Love to see that. Tremendous amount of volume. So all good things here on the daily. There's literally nothing I see that's disadvantageous. 4-hour time frame might tell us a different story. Let's quickly look at the RSI. We can see very similar scenario here. RSI and MFI are still both very high. Big surprise, of course, a lot of money just flowed into this coin last 12 hours. But truth is, those things staying high is important. As long as we maintain above this moving average here, we'll probably be in pretty good shape to be able to hold this price action. We do want to recognize that we do have some sort of, I don't know if you can see that in the charts very well, but we got a lot of fair value here, right in between, what, 62 and 68 cents. And also a previous one, we're probably not going to worry too much about that, but this level here does imply that 0.382 might actually get retested and potentially bounce off that area once that fair value gap has been filled. Okay, so taking a quick look at TD sequential, we are only about 4 candles into this extension here, and we can see right there that massive squeeze that occurred at about 62 cents. Price action pulled back, attempted to re-hit that level and broke through pretty sound. So this continuation is just getting started. There's a good chance we could even see the price continue further up. So that's a very, very good sign here. Taking a look at the hourly, let's kind of wrap this up. This is the important indicator here, of course, but it's probably just going to give us a green light to leave everything open, which it does. Really just reaffirming the fact that we are in really good shape here and that we have no reason to consider closing our position. I would recommend, again, if you were in a long position, trimming some of it, right? Taking a small percent of your profit while you can, while it's massively overextended. The fact that it is overextended does imply it could pull back, and if it does, once again, the levels we've already identified right there at about 65 cents, downwards of about 60 cents, are potential retracement areas. Okay, so to me, I don't like to leave a lot of money on the table. That's why we took, what was it, 179% on our fourth target, because we don't like giving up free money, right? Like, you could literally hold the whole time and it could come down to zero. You never truly know. I doubt that's going to happen. I'm not saying that. Just the point is here, use good risk tolerance and try not to get super greedy. It is somewhat of a greedy market right now, so that there is truth in the sense that you could be just fine. But I prefer to be safer than sorry, and in this case, just be mindful of that. Okay. One last thing to quickly note is to sequential here on the hourly. We got a nice little reset here, so we literally could see a good like 8 to 10 hours of continuation. So that this does feel like it's just getting started, but it does also, you can also tell it's pulling back pretty hard too. Once more, the levels it could pull back to is 70 cents, 65, and 60. Nice round numbers there. Basically every 10 cents is a close approximate, or every 5 cents. And you know, it's looking pretty strong, okay? There's no doubt about it. So again, what are your thoughts? What do you think is going to happen here with this coin? I'll be interested to hear your thoughts. Please like the video so you can help us grow the community. And if you want to become part of an awesome community, jump on over here. We don't just offer trade signals. There's a trading academy that's included with a membership. We've got some awesome, cool traders here as well, and really just have a lot of fun. Okay, so congrats and kudos to all of our traders. Very well done. Very well done. Super happy to be part of this. I look forward to working with you though. Have yourself a great rest of your day. We'll see you in the next one.